4 minutes. Yes, every 4 minutes a woman in India is diagnosed with breast cancer. With total cases being around 2,21,000 in a year, it is the most common cancer in India. And every 6 minutes a woman dies from breast cancer in India. With over 90,000 deaths approximately, and this trend is on the rise.
मैंने कब सोचा था मेरी जिंदगी यूं बदल जाएगी। सब कुछ इतना अच्छा था, एक अच्छा पति, 2 प्यारे बच्चे, लेकिन तंबाकू ने सब कुछ बदल दिया।
हम सब ने ये ऐड हर मूवी या पिक्चर के शुरुआत में देखी होगी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स देखनी भी चाहिए। कैंसर अवेयरनेस के लिए ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट सारी अवेयरनेस हम मूवी शुरू होते ही भूल जाते हैं एंड देन अगेन बैक टू नॉर्मल। But did you know, apart from lung cancer, the most common type of cancer in India is breast cancer, and still many people are not aware of it. Numbers को देखिए, इस 2022 की रिपोर्ट से हमें पता चला है तो हर साल 14 लाख लोगों को कैंसर डायग्नोस होता है इंडिया में, and breast cancer makes up around 2,21,000 plus, more than respiratory cancer, which stood at 1,42,000 cases. Breast cancer सिर्फ महिला को अफेक्ट करता है ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. Although it is the most common cancer among women, but sometimes men can also suffer from breast cancer, and not many people know about it. ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के बारे में काफ़ी लोग अवेयर नहीं होते हैं, बट हमें अवेयर रहने की और दूसरों को अवेयर करने की ज़रूरत है। एंड रिसेंटली आपने भी सुना होगा कि मशहूर टीवी स्टार हीना खान ने इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट करके बताया कि शी इज़ सफरिंग फ्रॉम स्टेज 3 ब्रेस्ट कैंसर। She basically put up a video on Instagram. She's cutting her hair and she made her followers aware that she's going through breast cancer. Now, I personally feel that you need a lot of courage, a lot of strength to go all out in the media and basically make people aware that she is going through breast cancer. And I think she was a sport. उन्होंने बहुत हिम्मत दिखा के उनका वीडियो डाला जिसमें वो हेयर कट कर रही है। Well, let me tell you, when you're going through chemotherapy, one of the most common side effects is you start losing your hair. वो कीमोथेरेपी के वजह से सबसे बड़ा फियर एक वुमन में होता है कि उनका हेयर लॉस होने वाला है. And for a woman, hair is very, very important. Well, we have been designing these cancer wigs for a very long time, and we've been associated with Tata Hospital and other hospitals which are specialized in cancer, and we completely understand for a woman, वो cancer fight कर सकती है, लेकिन for her to fight that hair loss thing, and we totally understand that for a woman, hair is very, very important. The first fear that they have is that what if I lose my hair? Will my hair come back? Will it ever grow? And these are the common fears, and we understand because day in day out we interact with them. हम काफ़ी सारे कैंसर पेशेंट्स के आज कंसल्ट करते हैं, उनका हेयर विग जो है वो डिज़ाइन करते हैं, कस्टमाइज करते हैं, बिकॉज वी एग्जैक्टली नो देयर पेन पॉइंट. अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन द पास्ट ये जो विग्स आते थे, these wigs used to look very, very artificial, but now of course we've taken this to another level and we design these extremely customized ones wherein a woman feels comfortable, because obviously she wants her wig to look exactly like how her natural hair, and that's where we deep dived and started designing these ultra natural looking wigs, which are made up of 100% human hair and taking care of the hairline, the density on top, the length, the texture, the haircut. Our goal was basically making a woman feel comfortable, because for her उनके नेक्स्ट 6 से 12 महीने बहुत डिफिकल्ट होने वाले हैं. Her story tells us that breast cancer doesn't differentiate with anyone. It is on the rise in both rural as well as urban India. पिछले साल के एस्टिमेशन से ये कहा जा सकता है कि India had around 2,21,579 cases of breast cancer in the year 2023, and over 60% of these cases are detected in either stage 3 और स्टेज 4, जिसकी वजह से मुश्किल हो जाता है फॉर अ पेशेंट टू गेट क्योर्ड. आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ इट दैट गेटिंग डायग्नोस्ड विद कैंसर रियली टेक्स अ टोल ऑन वंस माइंड, एंड इट इज रियली पेनफुल मेंटली एंड फिजिकली टू गो थ्रू दिस फेज. बिकॉज ट्रीटमेंट के दौरान यू गो थ्रू मेनी फेजेस जहां आपके बॉडी में आपको काफी चेंजेस देखने मिलते हैं. लूजिंग हेयर ड्यू टू कीमो, वेट लॉस, हार्मोनल चेंजेस. पेशेंट्स फील दैट पेन इन देयर होल बॉडी, And many a times vomiting occurs and people lose their playful, happy personality because of too much stress on the mind and body during the treatment. ये आपको सिर्फ physically ही नहीं but psychologically भी काफी इफेक्ट करता है and the treatment gives rise to depression. Patient ज़्यादा कुछ feel नहीं कर पाते due to medicinal reactions, insomnia, anxiety, fatigue, PTSD, mood swings and what not. ब्रेस्ट कैंसर से बचने के चांसेस डिपेंड्स ऑन आप कितना जल्दी उसे डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. यू फील समथिंग इज रॉन्ग, यू मस्ट कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर एट द अर्लीस्ट. आपको इंटरनेट पे काफ़ी रेफरेंसेस वीडियोस मिल जाएगी जहाँ पे आप सीख सकते हो हाउ टू एग्जामिन फॉर ब्रेस्ट कैंसर. आई थिंक इन इंडिया इट्स हाई टाइम अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड शुड कम अप एंड हेल्प इन क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस एंड वन ऑफ द कंपनीज हुज डन अ ग्रेट जॉब अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इज लक्स सोप. बिकॉज उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने एक सोप बनाया विद अ lump to spread awareness about self-examination. I think it was a brilliant idea. You can see the video how they've created this soap with the lump on the soap. Now this is a great way to create awareness. Like every other cancer, breast cancer के भी stages होते हैं and the stage depends on how much the cancer has spread in your body. Usually breast cancer के stages 0 to 4 होते हैं. Well, a research by American Cancer Society tells us that if cancer is diagnosed in following stages, for example stage 1, almost 100% of women survive for 5 years or more. If women are diagnosed in stage 2, 90% of women survive for 5 years or more. Well, in stage 3, more than 70% of women survive for 5 years or more. And in stage 4, more than 25% of women survive for 5 years or more. Research studies से हमें ये पता चला है कि breast cancer elderly women को होने के ज़्यादा chances होते हैं. So more your age, the more you are likely to have breast cancer. Although the median age of getting diagnosed with this type of cancer is 62, हम इसे younger women में भी देख सकते हैं as seen in Hina's case. Well, here are some of the most common symptoms of this type of cancer. A new lump in the breast or underarm, thickening of swelling of part of the breast, irritation or dimpling of breast skin, any change in the size of the shape of the breast or pain in any area of the breast. Hence, if you are a woman, आप अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखें और रेगुलर बेसिस पे सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन करते रहिए. एंड इफ यू फील समथिंग इज रॉन्ग, डॉक्टर्स एंड एक्सपर्ट्स को कंसल्ट कीजिए. वेल, वी मेन शुड ऑल्सो टेक सम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इन स्प्रेडिंग अवेयरनेस अबाउट ब्रेस्ट कैंसर amongst our family, our friends, because the only way to bring down this number of breast cancer and increase their chances of survival is by creating awareness. And it's extremely satisfying when we see a woman wearing that wig and she feels good about themselves and she gets that courage, that strength to fight cancer.
Walked in and he made me feel absolutely comfortable. Over a period of 3 years, I've lost most of the hair on my head, and this is what Vineet has made for me, and I love it. My husband loves it. Very easy to wear because it's been customized and it fits my head.
Once that I've done this, I really feel that why was I so apprehensive? I love the process. I had no idea, Vineet, that there is so much of detailing.
Come here, get a fab wig. Winnie's awesome, and so is the staff. So please come, explore, enjoy.
Well, I request you, if you've had any loved one been affected with breast cancer, we would love to hear your story in the comment. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to Alchemy. Thank you so much.